Today, we've received a courier from one of our subscribers. Inside this package is an iPhone XS Max with a broken display. Well, start by carefully unboxing the parcel, inspecting the device, confirming the issue, and then performing a complete display replacement. So stay tuned till the end. This video will guide you through the full repair process with tips and safety advice. Let's begin with the unboxing. We've received this parcel via courier, and the packaging seems fairly secure. Using a suction cup and a plastic pry tool, well, slowly begin lifting the screen from the frame. Take your time, rushing can damage internal components. Once loosened, gently open the display from the left side like a book. Be careful, don't pull the display harshly. Well, now disconnect the battery before touching anything else. Next, well, remove the metal shield covering the battery and display connectors using a Y-tip screwdriver. Now, let's disconnect the battery connector using a plastic tool. This step is crucial to avoid any short circuits. After that, well, disconnect the display and digitizer flex cables one by one. Now the broken display is fully detached. Well, also remove the ear Face ID sensor from the old display and transfer it to the new one. These components are very delicate, so we must handle them carefully to avoid Face ID failure. Here is the replacement display. It's a high-quality OLED compatible with the iPhone XS Max. Well, now install the front speaker and Face ID assembly into the new display. Make sure all sensors align perfectly. Once everything is in place, it's time to connect the new display. Then, place the metal shields back and tighten the screws. Finally, well, gently press the new display into the frame, aligning it properly. Once done, well, insert the two bottom Pentalobe screws and tighten them. Now, power on the device one last time. the iPhone XS Max is now fully repaired, and the display looks brand new.